understanding the allure of narcissistic personalities. In today's world, we often encounter individuals who exhibit narcissistic tendencies, whether it's an exaggerated sense of self-importance or an insatiable desire for admiration. While not everyone who exudes confidence falls into the category of narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, it's essential to recognize the traits associated with such individuals. In this guide, we'll explore the intricacies of charming those with narcissistic inclinations, navigating the delicate balance between appeal and manipulation. Chapter 1: Unveiling the Psychology of Narcissism. To effectively charm individuals with narcissistic tendencies, it's crucial to understand the underlying psychology driving their behavior. Narcissists often harbor deep-seated insecurities, masked by a facade of grandiosity. By tapping into their need for validation and admiration, one can establish a connection that resonates with their ego-driven mindset. Chapter 2: Leveraging Visual Appeal. The Power of Aesthetic Attraction. In a society obsessed with appearances, leveraging visual allure is a potent tool for capturing the attention of narcissistic individuals. From impeccable grooming to stylish attire, projecting an image of confidence and allure can serve as a magnet for those who prioritize external validation. Chapter 3: The Art of Intrigue. Playing hot and cold. Narcissistic individuals thrive on the thrill of pursuit and conquest. By oscillating between warmth and withdrawal, one can strategically manipulate their desire for validation, keeping them perpetually intrigued and captivated by the chase. Chapter 4: Confidence as a Magnet. Embracing arrogance with caution. Confidence is a double-edged sword when it comes to charming narcissistic personalities. While exuding self-assurance can be alluring, veering into arrogance risks alienating them. Mastering the delicate balance between confidence and humility is key to maintaining their admiration without triggering their disdain. Chapter 5: Flaunting Your Value. Establishing status and influence. Narcissists are drawn to individuals they perceive as high-value commodities. Whether through professional accomplishments, social status, or unique talents, showcasing one's worth can ignite their desire to associate with someone they deem worthy of their attention. Chapter 6: The Thrill of the Chase. Allowing them to pursue and rescue. Narcissistic individuals revel in the role of the hero or savior. By strategically positioning oneself as someone in need of their assistance or admiration, one can effectively fuel their ego while fostering a sense of indispensability in their eyes. Chapter 7: Cultivating Independence. Maintaining autonomy and boundaries. While charm relies on fostering a sense of connection, it's equally essential to maintain autonomy and boundaries when dealing with narcissistic individuals. By demonstrating independence and self-sufficiency, one can avoid becoming enmeshed in their web of manipulation and control. Chapter 8: The Mystery of Withheld Affection. Navigating emotional withdrawal. Contrary to conventional wisdom, withholding affection can paradoxically deepen one's allure in the eyes of narcissistic individuals. By maintaining an air of emotional unavailability, one can elicit a heightened desire for validation and intimacy, compelling them to vie for one's affection even more fervently. Chapter 9: The Temptation of Drama. Balancing excitement and stability. Narcissists are often drawn to drama and chaos, viewing it as a source of excitement and validation. While harnessing this allure can be tempting, it's essential to tread carefully, avoiding the pitfalls of toxic dynamics while still maintaining their interest through stimulating interactions. Chapter 10: Reclaiming Control. Breaking free from toxic attachments. In the pursuit of charming narcissistic individuals, it's imperative to maintain agency and self-respect. While the allure of their admiration may be intoxicating, it's essential to recognize when a relationship becomes toxic or unsustainable, empowering oneself to break free and pursue healthier connections. Conclusion: Navigating the complexities of charm and manipulation. As we conclude our exploration into the art of charming narcissistic personalities, it's essential to tread cautiously and ethically. While the strategies outlined in this guide may yield temporary gratification, true fulfillment lies in fostering genuine connections built on mutual respect and reciprocity. By navigating the complexities of charm with integrity and empathy, one can cultivate relationships that enrich rather than exploit the human experience.